morning, student. Day before yesterday, we have already seen what is planning, what is the need of planning. Planning means all the teacher's activity before enter the class. And because of planning, teacher can teach effectively. And because of planning, you will get definitely success in every field. So that in every field, planning is very, very important. So that if you want to achieve success, for that also planning is very much necessary. Because of planning, you can achieve your desired objectives. Planning is essential for family, the society, and for country also. In explosion of population, planning is very much important. For successful work, planning is important. This is applicable in teaching field also. And if teacher want to teach effectively, if teacher want to complete his syllabus in proper time, if teacher want to complete all the units in proper time, so that planning is very, very important. So that every subject teacher has to use planning before enter the class for his subject. It is very necessary. Friends, there are different types of planning like yearly planning, monthly planning, unit planning, lesson planning. Today, we are going to study about yearly planning. Yearly planning is also known as annual planning. Friends, while doing yearly planning, teacher has to consider following important things. Without that things, teacher cannot do proper planning for his teaching, for his subject, for his syllabus. So that following things are very much necessary, important for planning, that all the subject teachers has to keep in mind while preparing planning. Teacher has to consider the objectives. What are the different types of objectives that teacher has to consider at the time of preparing planning? Then teacher has to divide total unit in the textbook by available month of teaching. Teacher has to consider the curriculum, learning experience, instructional material, and teaching technology, teaching methodology. While preparing planning, teacher has to think properly because some units require more practical work and instructional material. Some units require less time. So also we have to consider about the students and their requirements also. So teacher has to consider available time for planning. Teacher has to give weightage to available teaching period and objectives. Teacher has to distribute period according to objective. Friends, these things are very, very necessary at the time of preparing planning for teaching. So teacher has to think about syllabus. Teacher has to consider co-curricular and extracurricular activities. All these factors may consider by teachers. Teacher has to consider period available for particular subject in a year. Language teacher can change the sequence of the textbook. So, in the year plan, teacher has to liberty to change the serial number of the lesson in languages, but there should not be vocabulary and structure disturbance to the students. In history, geography, maths, science and English, the lessons are to be taught in sequence because there is a developing and situational knowledge. The following four factors must be taken into consideration while making a year plan. These four factors are very much necessary, very much important at the time of preparing planning. First, unit. Second, objectives. Third, available periods. Fourth, periods for evaluation. Friends, these four factors are very much necessary at the time of preparing planning, and teacher has to consider these four factors. These things are very much necessary. Annual plan should be flexible. It should be suggestive. Validity of a year plan tested through implementation. Distribution of the lesson is tentative. Record the actual time for units. Weightage given to the objectives. Make modification in the next year if it is required. The subject teacher has to come together while preparing lesson plan, and then teacher can discuss among them, and then they can plan for teaching and other units. Now friends, we are going to study what are the importance of year plan. First, teacher can achieve objectives in proper time. Because of proper planning, teacher can achieve desired objective. So, year plan is very much important. Second, teacher can give proper time to teach each unit. Teacher can give proper time to teach unit. Third, teacher can arrange co-curricular and extracurricular activities according to planning. Whole year, teacher has to arrange different types of activities, and because of year plan, teacher can arrange that activities properly because of annual plan. Fourth, undue emphasis on any topic or skill is avoided. If teacher want to avoid any topic, that topic also teacher can avoid in year plan. Fifth, planning help for easy and smooth execution. So friends, these are the importance of year plan. I hope all of you understood what is the meaning of year plan and what are the importance of year plan. Next period, we are going to study what is the meaning of monthly planning. Thank you. Have a nice day.